everybody. I'm Miss Angel from the Tillamook County Library, and I have another craft project for you. So it's a beautiful day outside, and I thought it would be really fun to make something that we could play with outside. So today we're going to be making paper kites. So for this project, you will need a sheet of paper, something to decorate your paper with. I'm using markers, but you can use crayons or colored pencils or paint. Something to poke a hole with. So if you have a hole punch at home, that would work, but I'm just gonna use a pen. Some yarn or some string, and a stapler. All right, so let's get started. First, we're going to decorate our paper, and we need to decorate both sides because when we make our kite, you'll be able to see some of both sides. Okay, so my piece of paper is decorated on both sides. So now we're going to fold our paper. We're going to fold it hamburger style. And we want to make a nice crease in the paper. So press pretty hard. Okay, so next we're going to open it up and we're going to hold it kind of like this, like it kind of looks like a tent. We're gonna take the two corners closest to you and we're going to fold them up toward the crease that we made. So first I'm gonna start with one and I'm gonna fold it up. You see that? And then while holding that one, I'm going to take the other side and fold it up. And you want them to be kind of even with each other on the piece of paper. Let me show you. So then I'm going to take my stapler and we're going to staple the two corners together to the crease. All right, so now my paper's all held together. The kite is almost ready. So we're going to make a hole just behind where we stapled. So about right there. When you make your hole, you don't want to get too close to the top because otherwise your string might pull out. So down just a little bit and behind where the two corners are stapled together. Okay. So there's my hole. We're gonna take our yarn and put it through. Okay, so now I've got my yarn through the hole on my kite, and I'm gonna tie a knot. Okay, so there it is. My yarn is tied through the hole on my kite. And this is actually all you need to do for your kite to be able to fly. Later on, you might want to like clean this up a little bit and like cut the extra string off, but you don't have to. Also, let me show you a different one that I made. You can decorate your kite as much as you want. So this is one that I made. My string's there on the bottom, but I also attached some yarn to the tail. So when it's going through the air, they kind of fly, which is pretty fun. If you want to take this project further, you can experiment with different designs of kite and see which ones fly better, and then try to figure out why. What makes your kite design fly better than other designs? So that's our craft for today. I hope that you have fun with it and you get to go outside and play a little bit. I'll see you next time. Bye.